My name is Anup Nigam. I'm an international motivational speaker and corporate trainer. I'm back with another video to give you awareness so that you can lead a disease-free life. So today we'll try to understand the difference between brown sugar and white sugar. Most of us are aware of the fact that brown rice is good for health and therefore better than white. Likewise, brown bread is better than white. But does the same logic apply to brown sugar as well? Once, while with a friend at a coffee shop, she suddenly came up with this thought that white sugar is unhealthy and brown sugar is very healthy and will help you not gaining weight. I wondered, really? I went back home and pondered over what she said. Next thing, I decided to research on this subject, which sugar is better, white or brown. Both sugars taste is similar in sweetness and both have calories. But when I researched deep into the topic, I got to know lot more about it. Let us first take a look at its nutrition value, and after that we'll look at its relation with weight gain. Although many people are of the opinion that brown sugar is a healthier option than white sugar, the truth is that they only have certain different nutritional values. White sugar is actually 99.9% pure sucrose, while brown sugar is 97% sucrose, 2% water and 1% other substances. A teaspoon of white sugar contains 16 kilocalories, whereas a teaspoon of brown sugar has 17 kilocalories. The molasses in brown sugar contains a number of minerals which include calcium, potassium, magnesium and iron. But since only very small amounts of these minerals are present in brown sugar, they do not bring any health benefit to the body, whereas white sugar contains none of these. The real difference between the two are taste and the effect on baked goods. Brown sugar is more likely referred as raw sugar because it is not refined. So now that it has been proved nutritionally, brown sugar and white sugars are not much different. Let us now look at other prospects of sugar and weight loss. It is said that a person should have a minimum of only 2 spoons of sugar in a day, but there again it is a misconception. So how much sugar a person should have in a day? Unfortunately, there is no simple answer to this question. Some people can eat some sugar without harm, while others should avoid it as much as possible. According to the American Heart Association, the maximum amount of added sugars you should eat in a day are for man 150 calories per day, that is approximately 37.5 grams or 9 teaspoons. For women, 100 calories per day, approximately 25 grams or 6 teaspoons. But if you ask me, I would say one should avoid excess sugar as much as they can. Whoever out there are consuming brown sugar as an alternative for weight loss or diabetic reasons should look out for better options and go in for natural sweeteners like honey, jaggery, sugarcane, dates as these would be beneficial and more healthier for you rather than any white or brown or both. Well, I hope this information can help you to understand the difference between brown sugar and white sugar. If you think that this information has helped you, then please like this video and share it with others also, so that they can also become disease free. So I wish you a very healthy and disease free life. Thank you very much for listening to me.